Yes, even though Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer program is not a direct transfer partner on HeyMax, you can still use your Max Miles accumulated to redeem a business class flight on SIA, or it can be economy or first class as well. And here's a step-by-step guide on how you can go about doing it. As I was doing my own redemption, I wanted something for reference, but there wasn't much info or guide available. So I hope this video helps you one way or another. As of the time of recording this, there are 28 airline and hotel partners on HeyMax where we can convert Max Miles at a 1-to-1 ratio with 0 fees. But a minimum of 10,000 Max Miles is required for each redemption, so just take note of that. So to fly on SIA, you want to do it via Air Canada's aeroplan, as they are both members of the Star Alliance, allowing us to redeem points across the network and for lesser miles than you would have if you went directly, accumulating KrisFlyer miles. So for 45,000 Air Canada's points, I can redeem one direct flight to Incheon on business on SIA. As compared to doing it directly on Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer program, I would need 52,000 KrisFlyer miles. So just log into your HeyMax account, navigate to redeem, transfer miles and select Air Canada. Make sure the name matches on both sides. So your Air Canada points program account matches what is on HeyMax, and add your membership ID as well. So after submitting this, within 5 business days, HeyMax team will revert back with a virtual card to purchase the points on Air Canada's website. Yes, unlike credit card points where you can directly transfer and it will become points, there is an extra step where we have to buy the points on Air Canada's website. So I submitted the redemption on 25th of May 2025, and within 5 business days, they are supposed to get back to me with the virtual card. So on the final 5th business day, 30th of May 2025, I received the virtual card with the instruction on how to purchase. There was a promotion that Air Canada was running at a point I was purchasing the points. So just take note that even though I redeemed 30,000 Max Miles, in actual it's 52,700 because of the promotion. I know what you're thinking, that you receive more points for less Max Miles, but nope, it's adjusted. If you want a simple straight up redemption, don't do it when there's a bonus mile promotion. So after purchasing, points are immediately in the account, and I just went ahead to browse what was the date I wanted to fly. So this is Air Canada's website. Log into your membership account, and before you select the country and the date, tick book with aeroplan points. This is the list of available flights for that day. Zooming in here, you'll be able to tell which airline you're flying with. So there's Asiana Airlines, Singapore Airlines, whether they are stopovers or it's a direct flight. All the details are available on this page where you can just click around, preview the seats, details, etc. And you're not just limited to a business class flight. You can also book for economy class, and it'll cost lesser aeroplan points. But whether is it worth it or not, I leave that up to you. I booked a non-stop red-eye flight on Singapore Airlines, and all I have to pay is the taxes of 109 Canadian dollars. Just confirm the details and check out. So I used the Trust Cashback credit card to pay, and that will give me 1% back. That's my default card that I use whenever I have to pay for a foreign currency transaction. Now with these booking details available in my email, I'll be able to add it to my Singapore Airlines account so I can manage the booking over there. Come with me to Korea on my first business class flight. My flight departs from Terminal 2, but from what I researched, the better SilverKris lounge is over at Terminal 3, so here I am. I came to the airport a few hours early just to explore it, and right before heading to my gate, I also checked out Terminal 2's lounge. And wow, it really doesn't compare to what you're seeing now. So if you're flying out from T2, I definitely recommend allocating some time to just enjoy the lounge at T3 first, then just hop onto the SkyTrain over to T2 for boarding.
Oh, the ingredient for you?
Yes.
Connect the clip and pull to tighten. If you can't reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and lean forward as far as...
Alright, so that was my first business class flight experience on Singapore Airlines, and I did not use any credit card reward points. Instead, it was the Max Miles I've accumulated on HeyMax platform. If you still do not know what HeyMax is and how powerful of a tool it is for you to double dip on rewards as you shop online on Shopee, Lazada, book travel stuff like Trip.com, Agoda, etc., I'll leave this video right over here that you can watch next so you can fly your next business class using the max miles you've accumulated like I did this time. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you'd like, join me on my Telegram community right over here. And as usual, have a great week ahead and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.